The chairman of the prestigious Ozo Society of Enugu-Agidi, Njikoka local government area, Chief Michael Nwabufo, says it is an abomination for an Ozo title holder in Enugu-Agidi to sleep, eat, and drink in any hotel around the community, saying that anyone caught in the act will be stripped of the title. ABS correspondent Abuchinwa provided this report.
Speaking with the ABS during a special report on the significance of Ozo Society in Anambra State, Chief Nwabufo, who described an Ozo-titled man as a doyen of culture and tradition in any community, disclosed that it is the responsibility of Ndins and Ozo Society to work with synergy with the traditional ruler of their community towards the protection and preservation of the rich cultural heritage of their various communities. The chairman of Ozo Society in Enugu-Agidi, Chief Nwabufo, while emphasizing that non-indigenes can never be initiated into Ozo Society of the community, maintained that for one to be initiated into Ozo Society, such a person must have well-established source of living and must have a comfortable home in addition to being married with kids, and cautioned the people against bastardizing the Igbo custom and tradition. Chief Nwabufo, who described stages of ceremonies that will qualify one into Ozo Society, pointed out that huge amount of money is involved in Ozo title taking in Enugu-Agidi, as those seeking to be initiated must undergo screening, as ex-convicts and people of questionable character can never be initiated into Ozo Society in Enugu-Agidi.